Twin-engine French business jet with long legs and serious ramp presence. That's the one, Dassault Falcon 2000. It's the world's best-selling piston aircraft, with a whole aircraft parachute and touchscreen avionics. That's the one, Cirrus SR-22 G6. A long-range luxury jet built for non-stop transatlantic flights. Bingo you beauty, Bombardier Global 5000. A futuristic twin with panoramic windows and a T-tail. It's quiet. Let's go, it's Diamond D A62. One of the world's best-selling light jets, fast, sleek, and sharp. Oh yeah, come on, buddy. So how many did you get? Make sure to comment the answer and tag a friend who can't get more than one.